AI is changing the game, and smart people are already using it to make money. If you've been wondering how to get started, here are 5 real ways you can start earning with AI today. AI freelancing. You don't need to be a tech genius to make money with AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva can help you offer services like 1. Writing blog posts and ad copy. 2. Creating logos and social media graphics. 3. Editing videos with AI-powered tools. Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of people making money by using AI to speed up their work. You can do the same. AI YouTube automation. Ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but don't want to be on camera? AI makes it easier than ever. 1. ChatGPT can write scripts. 2. Tools like 11 Labs can generate realistic voiceovers. 3. AI video editors like Pictory.ai can create videos for you. Some people are making thousands of dollars a month by running faceless YouTube channels. YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can turn this into a serious business. AI-powered dropshipping. Dropshipping lets you sell products online without keeping inventory, and AI can make it even easier. 1. AI tools can find trending products. 2. ChatGPT can write high-converting product descriptions. 3. AI chatbots can handle customer support. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it simple to set up an online store. And with AI, you can automate much of the work. AI stock and crypto trading. AI-powered bots can analyze market trends and trade faster than any human. Some traders use AI to make passive income by automating their strategies. 1. TradingView helps analyze market trends. 2. Pionex and Bitsgap offer AI trading bots. 3. CryptoHopper can automate crypto trading. This isn't a guaranteed way to make money, and you still need to manage risk. But AI can give you a serious edge in trading. Selling AI-generated digital products. AI can help you create and sell digital products that generate passive income. You can use it to 1. Write and sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle. 2. Create and sell AI-generated stock images on Shutterstock. 3. Develop and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Gumroad. Once you create and upload your product, it can keep earning for you with little to no extra work. The AI revolution is here. People are already using AI to make money. The only question is, will you be one of them? Which AI side hustle sounds most interesting to you? Drop a comment and let's talk. Follow for more AI business tips.